Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is Mathematics 4024 of GCE, and we are dealing nowadays with the algebraic equations. Ladies and gentlemen, the things are getting tougher and tougher. If you are not directly understanding this video, then go to my previous video. We started from the very basic concept, and I repeatedly told you that you have to understand the basic concept, then we will be able to do the advanced level of questions. So let us start. This is question number 11 in A part. First of all, I have to take the LCM of these two, which is 3. And then when this is multiplied, it will be 30x minus and 5x plus 4. Many people are writing this minus with only this minus 5x and not multiplying this with the plus, and as a result they are getting the wrong value. First of all, we have to simplify it. Remove the bracket. Minus 5x minus 4 whole divide by 3, and that will be equal to this. Okay, when we uh, subtract this 5 from 30x, it will give you 25x, and then I will write minus 4, and this is 3 divided by 7. Uh, Multiplying both sides with 3 because we want to remove this 3 first. The only thing which we will left on the left side is x. All the other things will be on that side. So I am writing 25x minus 4 is equal to 21. Now 25x is equal to 25. When this minus 4 is shifted to the other side, it will become positive, and then that positive will be added with 21, and that 21 will be equal to 25. Now dividing both sides by 25, this 25 as well as this 25 will be cancelled with each other, and as a result we will get x is equal to 1. Now here I have to take 6 is the LCM, and that will be 8x minus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 5 divided by 4. From cross multiplication, we will get we will get 4 into 8x minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 5 multiplied by 6. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for 8 the 32x minus 12x plus 4 is equal to 30. So this will be 20x, and that will be 26. When we shift this 4 to the other side and subtract it from 30, it will give you. Now dividing both sides by 20, this 20 will be cancelled with this one, and as a result 2 tens are and 2 12s 2 13s are, and that will be equal to 13 divided by 10. which will be equal to 1 whole 3 over 10, and that is the value. So we can write x is equal to 1 whole 3 over 10 is the ultimate answer. Now we are talking about this one. So here I have to take 12 is the LCM, and then 4 will be multiplied with x minus 1, minus 3 will be multiplied with x plus 3, and minus 1 will come on its place. So ladies and gentlemen, I have to remove the brackets, and it will be minus 9, and I am writing this 12 and minus 1. When that 12 is multiplied with minus 1, so 4x minus 3x will give you x, and minus 4 and minus 9 will give you minus 13 is equal to minus 12. So ladies and gentlemen, when this 13 is shifted to the other side, that will give you plus 13, and when plus 13 is added, so it means the answer will be equal to 1. Gradually we are generating our concept. So first of all, I have to shift this to that side. You can shift that, but it will be one extra strip. So I am writing 3 into y minus 1 divided by 4, minus will become positive this one, and I will write y into 5 divided by 3. In the next step, I am writing 12 is the LCM, and when this is divided, so 3 threes are 9y minus 1, and then plus will come on its place. 12 divided by 3 will give you 4, and 4 will be multiplied with y plus 5. Now I am writing 1 is equal to 9y minus 9 plus 4y plus 20 whole divided by 12. Now this 12 will be shifted on this side, but I am rearranging it. So 9y plus it will be 13y is minus 9, and so this will be 11 plus 11, and when this 12 is multiplied with this one, it will give you 12. So 13y is equal to 12 minus 11. So y is equal to 1 over 13 will be the ultimate answer. Now to this part, I am shifting that to that side, y minus 2, and then I am writing 7 and minus 2 into y minus 7 divided by 3, and when this is shifted to the other side, it will be a positive 12. Now here I am taking the LCM as 21. So this will become 18y minus 2, and then 14 into y minus 7, and that will equal to 12. Ladies and gentlemen, this will come out to be 18y minus 36 minus 14y plus uh, uh, for 98, and then 12 multiplied by 21. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have to do a little bit calculation. 18 minus 14 will give you 4y, and then minus 36 from this will give you plus 2 and 62. And when we multiplied it 12 with 21, so 252 will be, yes, 252. Now I have to write this 4y plus 4y is equal to 252 minus 62, and 4y is equal to, when I subtract it, so 0 and 19. 190 will be the answer. Now y is equal to 190 divided by 4. So when we divide it, 190 divided by 4, for 4s are 16, 3 for 7s are 28, and 2. So either we can cut it here, or then 47 whole 2 over 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So y will be equal to 47 whole 1 over 2. Now we have to do question number 12, and that is a verification. But before that, we have to do this part number F. I was not aware that this part is this, so we are writing this F part here. 7 minus 2y divided by 2 minus 2 over 5, 2 minus y is equal to 1 whole 1 over 4. First of all, I am taking 10 is the LCM. So it means that we have to multiply 5 with 7 minus 2y minus 4 into 2 minus y, and then I will write 5 divided by 4. Uh, Now I have to simplify it. 5 sevens are 35 minus 10y minus 8 plus 4y whole divided by 10 is equal to 5 divided by 4. Now from cross multiplication we are having 4 into 35 minus 10y minus 8 plus 4y, and then 10 fives are, I have to write this 50. First of all, before multiplication of 4, we have to simplify this minus 6y, and if I am subtracting this, so plus 27, and then is equal to 50. Now we have to multiply this 4, so minus 24y plus uh, 108, and that is 50. Now we have to shift this minus 24 minus 10 plus 108 to the other side, and it will become negative 108. It will become negative 108. And when we subtract this 40, this 50 from 108, it will give you minus 58. This minus will be cancelled with this one, and y is equal to 58 divided by 24. So 2 whole uh, 10 over 24, 2 5s are and 2 12s are. So that will be equal to 2 whole 5 over 12 will be the value of this y. Now we have to do question number 12, and for that I have to erase the whiteboard. Okay, now let us do this question. The question is saying that when by showing you are working clearly, verify if x is equal to 19 divided by 20. Show that this left hand side is equal to right hand side for these values. Okay, first of all, we have to take the left hand side, and that is 2, and instead of x we have to put 19 divided by 20 and minus 3 over 4. Now let's simplify it to 19s are 38 divided by 20 minus 3 over 4. Now I am taking as 20 is the LCM. When 20 is divided by 20, it will give you 1, and 1 will be multiplied with 38, minus when 20 is divided by 4, it will give you 5, and 5 3s are 15. When I subtract this 15 from uh, this 38, it will give you 23, and divide by 20. So let us divide this 23 by 20, and it will give you 1 whole 3 over 20. That is the value of the left hand side. Now right hand side we will take, and let's see whether that also produce this value or not. Right hand side is this one, so 1 over 3 into, and what is the value of x? 19 divided by 20, and then 5 divided by 6. So it will be 19 divided by 20 plus 5 divided by 6. Ladies and gentlemen, we have to take 60 as the LCM, and when we divide this 60 by 20 we will get 3, and when we will get 3 we have to multiply this 19, so it will give you 57, and then we have to click press the plus, and then 60 divided by 6 will give you 10, and 10 multiplied by 5 is 50. 10 multiplied by 50. So let us see that whether we are getting 107 divided by 60. Okay, now 1 with multiplied with 19, 19, and that is 60. Plus 5 over 6 will come on its place. Now we have to take 60 is the LCM, so 19 plus 50, which is equal to 69 divided by 60. We can cut it with 3 20s are, and 3 23 are. So again we are getting this one, and from this we will get 1 whole 3 over 20. So in this case, left hand side is equal to right hand side, and hence proved. We had to prove this result for x is equal to 19 divided by 20. Okay, now we are turning our focus to question number 13, and here we have to say that question number 13 is saying that if 4x plus y is equal to 3x plus 5y, find 3x whole divided by 16y. So first of all, we are taking 4x plus y is equal to 3x plus 5y. Here we are taking 4x minus 3x is equal to 5y minus y. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are taking it x is equal to 4y. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have to write this as x divided by 4y is equal to 1. Now multiplying both sides by what? 3 into 4 on the on both the sides. So we will get 3x into, let me do it separately, not directly, 4y, and I have to multiply 3 over 4 on both sides. So here it is 1 and 3 over 4. Ladies and gentlemen, this will be 3x into 16y, and that will be equal to 3 over 4. Why we multiplied this 3 over 5? This is the main question. By seeing the value, we have to x divided by 4y was with us, but we had to convert it to 3x divided by 16y. So we could get this value by multiplying 3x, and for 4s are 16y. So that is why we wrote it like this. So that will be the value of this option. We have to do question number 14 now, and question number 14 is saying that you have to prove that if 3x minus 5y is divided by 7x minus 4y, then you have to do what? You have to find the value of x. So by taking this, we have to find the value of xy. Let's do different techniques and solve it. Minus 5y divided by 7x minus 4y is equal to 3 over 4. So I am writing multiplication cross multiplication 4 into 3x minus 5y is equal to 3 into 7x minus 4y. Now we have to multiply this, so 12x minus 20y and 21x minus 12y. Now 12x minus 20y. So 12x minus 21x and minus 12y plus 20y. I shifted this minus 20 to the other side and this 21 to this side, and you can see I wrote it with the change of the sign. So when this is, uh, we will get 9x, and here we will get plus 8x. Now keeping in mind this x divided by y, we have to, this is y, x divide we have to. Now I can write 9x is equal to minus 8y because I shifted that minus symbol to the other side. Now dividing both sides by 9. This will give us x is equal to minus 8 divided by 9 and y. Now because we have to find the value of x divided by y, I have to shift this y. So I am writing dividing both sides by y. So x divided by y is equal to minus 8 over 9, y divided by y. This y will be cancelled with this one. So we will be left only with minus 8 over 9. And that is the ultimate answer, ladies and gentlemen. These last three questions were the advanced question and we did it. Okay, that's it for today. Tomorrow we will use different formulae to solve the algebraic expression that is very interesting and very important. So keep in touch. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz.